joining me today as I give a presentation over the current evaluation plan for the School of Education and Teacher and Librarian Endorsement Program and the executive summary of the survey completed of K-12 teachers in relation to this evaluation. The evaluation is being done because the Vice President of Academic Affairs has asked each school to evaluate for potential new programs. Currently, the School of Education offers programs in elementary education, secondary education, special education, and music education. The school also offers principal and teacher licenses. The school does not have any additional certifications or endorsements. The goal of the evaluation is to assess the need for more teacher librarians in K-12 schools and the possibility of adding a teacher librarian endorsement program to the university. The outcomes of adding the program are to reach new audience of students wanting a career in school librarianship, to increase enrollment in school revenue for the School of Education, to begin the process of looking at adding other school endorsement programs, and building a stronger partnership and open communication between CCU and K-12 schools. The two primary questions for the overall evaluation look at: do the current education majors and minors and endorsements at Christian universities meet the desired needs of education students in K-12 schools? Would a CCU teacher librarian endorsement fulfill school, student, and state needs? The executive summary is going to review the results and the overall analyzation of a survey given to K-12 teachers. The two questions looking at during the survey are: do the current education majors, minors, and endorsements offered at Christian higher education institutes meet the needs of K-12 schools? 2, do K-12 teachers see a need for qualified teachers with teacher librarian training and licensing? For this survey, the survey was given out to teachers across grade level and years of experience. The platform used was Google Forms. The email was sent out to 19 teachers. The email with the survey and the confirmation consent form were given Monday. A reminder email was sent Thursday, and the survey closed on Friday. There were 3 different types of questions. There was 5 forced questions, 1 scaled question, 3 open-ended questions. To analyze all the data, the evaluation coordinator first reviewed the data, and then it was verified by the Director of Assessment and School of Education Dean. In this report and this presentation, there are 3 figures shown. All 3 figures come from the Google Forms platform. The evaluation coordinator also created word clouds for 2 of the open-ended questions to give a visualization of the words in the open-ended questions. The preceding slides are going to review all of the 9 results from the different questions. The first 3 forced questions looked at the demographics of the teachers answering the questions. Of the 19 teachers emailed, 9 completed the survey. Of these 9, the first question, what grade level do you teach? 55.6% said elementary, 22.6% said middle school or junior high, and 22.6% said high school. 0% answered preschool. For the second question, how long have you been in education? 55.6% of the 9 said 1 to 5 years, 11.1% said 6 to 10 years, and 33.3% said 11 or more years. The final demographic forced question, where did you receive your teacher preparation education, saw that all 9 recipients received their education from a 4-year Christian institution. The final 2 forced questions were having the teachers answer questions about teacher librarians at their current school. Question 4, does your school currently have any of the following positions? Saw 7 of the 9 respondents reply. Of those 7, all said that their school had some titling associated with teacher librarian. Some of them even checked more than 1. This 5th question, does your library and digital media position require any of the following qualifications? Once again, 7 responded to this. And from the results, you can see all positions do need to be filled with qualified professionals, whether that is a state teaching license, a master's degree, or a bachelor's degree. The scaled question given during the survey, question 6, do you agree that Christian higher education meets the needs of K-12 school positions? All 9 teachers answered this question. 66.7%, or 6 of the 9, agree that Christian higher education does meet the needs. 2 of the 9, or 22.2%, were neutral, and 1 of the 9, or 11.1%, disagreed that Christian higher education meets the needs. The following 3 questions, or the final 3 questions, were all open-ended questions. Question 7, should Christian higher education offer more endorsements or licensing options? If so, which ones? Teachers do believe that Christian higher education schools should offer more endorsements and licensing programs. 5 of the 8 that responded indicated yes. 2 answered not applicable, or NA, and 1 answered they were unsure, but through their wording gave some examples of possible programs they believe that schools could add. Question 8, do you believe K-12 schools need more qualified media specialists, teacher librarians, and/or technology teachers? Why or why not? 8 responded yes, 1 responded neutral or depends. They saw that teachers were needed for teacher assistance and support, and that they were helpful and supportive for student learning. From the word cloud, you can see words such as books, teacher, students, specific, trained, helped, all reasons for qualified media specialists. Question 9, what importance do you see librarians or media specialists bring to K-12 schools and students? This one once again saw all 9 recipients answer, and some of the major themes that came out were that librarians or media specialists were important because they bring a creativity for a love of books, technology skills, supporting student reading, and creating information literacy skills in connection to research and resources. In conclusion, the survey did provide information relevant to the overall evaluation. K-12 teachers do have teacher librarian positions at their school. Teacher positions require a high level of training. Teachers indicate the importance of needing these qualified teacher librarians. 8 of the 9 did indicate a lack of professionally qualified teacher librarians. All saw the importance of teacher librarians for student reading, technology skills, and information literacy development. Based upon the survey, there are 3 recommendations. The first recommendation, continue to research the need for CCU to add a teacher librarian endorsement program. Research should be completed with CCU faculty and current students. Third, research needs to be done on the Colorado Department of Education endorsement requirements. Future research of CCU faculty and students, the CDE requirements, and the completed K-12 teacher survey will allow the evaluation coordinator to be able to recommend the addition of the teacher librarian endorsement program to Colorado Christian University.